Afternoon. I just want to show everybody this mulch job we just did over in Lizella, Georgia. G&W Enterprises LLC, or G&W Enterprises of Georgia LLC, taking care of this customer with their mulch needs. We put down 7.5 yards of brown mulch and raked up everything, cleaned out the beds, and put down the mulch for them. And we're getting ready to head out now. Did all this bed, had a bunch of leaves in it. Leaves and twigs and trash from the fall and stuff. Raked it all out, got it raked down, and new mulch installed. So if you or somebody you know, if you're residents or commercial, we do residential and commercial service for lawn, landscape maintenance, mulch, and ground level tree removal. If we can be of assistance to you, please give us a call, 478-960-2014. And that's G&W Enterprises of Georgia LLC, and we'd be glad to help you. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a blessed day.